Be honest. Would you trust a business whose website looks like it hasn't been updated since 2019? Didn't think so. You know your website needs a facelift, but when you think about switching platforms, you remember what happened last time. Broken pages, missing content, 3 days of your life that you'll never get back. Luckily, that's where Airo AI Builder comes in, as its rebuild feature takes the pain out of the whole process. How? Simple. Start by entering your website's URL into the prompt field and describe what you want to keep. From there, Airo will analyze your website by reading its page structure, detecting patterns, and collating all of your content and images before rebuilding a modern version that keeps what matters. And in just a few minutes, that's it. Same business, updated content, with a completely new, fresh design. Now that you've got the basics down, you can refine your rebuilt website with some follow-up prompts. While you could enter the first thing on your mind, here are a few tips to help you make the most out of each prompt. Start by saying what you want, not what you don't. For example, instead of saying, "Don't make it look cheap," try something like, "Change the color scheme to use dark brown and soft yellow." Next, try to be as specific as you can. After all, if someone asked you to just make it better, you probably wouldn't know where to start. Tell Airo the page and section that needs changing, along with the look you're going for. Let's say we want to add a book a call button on the homepage. The clearer the ask, the better the build. That said, if you've got multiple changes, we recommend numbering each one and adding context to help Airo identify them. One message means less back and forth. And if you have an example from another website that you like, include its URL in your prompt so that Airo can use it as a reference. Now your prompt is looking a lot more professional, so let's submit it. Lastly, if for whatever reason Airo stops mid-task, just type continue. Much better. Once you're happy with the updated design, all you have to do is click publish to make it live. But looking good is only half the job. Your website also needs to be found. Optimizing it for Google isn't enough either, as more and more people are using AI to help them find local businesses. That's why answer engine optimization, or AEO, is an essential feature for small business owners, so that AI understands what you do and why someone would choose you. Otherwise, it can't recommend your services, even if you're the perfect fit. Fortunately, Airo AI Builder comes with built-in answer engine and search engine optimization. What does this mean for you? Well, for every page published on your website, Airo will automatically check that important details like your page headings, business details, and social previews are engineered for both Google and AI searches, allowing you to be found everywhere your customers are looking from day one. No need to hop between multiple tools, no need to hire an expensive web developer or learn any coding, and no need to export databases or install any complicated plugins. Just build your website and go live. Try Airo Builder for yourself and see what you can make.